lamppost have been chopped down on Main Reef Road. But the more disturbing thing than the lamppost is the power pylons. They have been cutting the steel out of the bottom of the pylon, and I'll try and show you one. As you can see here, this is power pylon. Look at all the steel that's been stripped out the bottom. So that pylon, all that weight is on 4 pieces of angle at the bottom. It's like that all the way down Main Reef Road. There's another 2 there, and one has collapsed just up the road from here. So all these pylons are going to come down. As soon as the heavy winds come, these pylons are going over. I didn't even get any closer. The one's already down just behind me. I'll stop and take a photograph.